Welcome to the forest, everyone. Today we will learn about wild animals and why we must protect their home.
Did everyone hear that? It sounds like whispering.
Relax, Water. It probably just the wind. Look, there is the woodpecker.
Whisperings or ghosts? This place is so boring. What's there to protect anyway? Just the trees and dirt. Ew.
Maybe we will find treasure instead.
Enough joking, guys. Remember, the forest is alive in many ways you might not understand. Treat them with respect, please.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, whoa. Is that a giant butterfly? And did it just talk?
Sure I did. Are you trashing my home? Do you know what happened when you poison the forest?
Don't pick up your trash now.
Just a few wrappers.
Shall a shoe wrapper tell that to the animal who choke on them?
I find a new forest. This place is better because it has more shade.
Humans, always so careless. You don't understand the balance of this plant, do you?
It's a talking elephant. This can't be real.
Oh, it's real. And so are the consequences of your action. Do you know what happens when the forest dies?
It won't just be us animals suffering. The earth itself will fight back.
Fight back? How? The air will turn fall. The water will poison you. A tree stop giving you shade, and something darker might awaken.
We didn't mean to hurt anything. What can we do to fix it?
It's not too late. Start by cleaning up your mess and telling others to do the same. But remember, the forest is watching always.
There. It's all clean. Can we go now?
You done well for today. But if you return with disrespect, the forest may not forgiving.
Teach others to respect nature, or you may find yourself lost here forever.
Go, 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 go! Let this be a lesson to all of you. The forest is alive and it demands respect.
I'm sorry for what I did. I never will do that again.
Me too, that was terrifying.
We have to tell everyone what we learned. The forest isn't just tree, it's alive.
And watching